Hello, friends, and welcome to Mrs. Karnes and Me.
We're a part-time travel couple from Southeast Missouri who's now been to 41 states and 33 countries. Please join us as we continue to explore the wonderful country of Italy. Grazie.
Thank you.
There's my dinner companion tonight.
It's our last night in Milan and our last night in Italy. After packing things up to leave in the morning, we walked over to the Galleria Vittorio for some dinner.
Grazie.
Pizza of it. Thanks.
Very nice. So before we left, Dr. Vargas told me that I had to drink some Montepulciano wine while we were in Italy. I've been looking for it. I haven't seen it. There was one restaurant that actually had it that I missed it on the wine list. But it's not something that we've seen in most of the places that we've been to until the last night that we're here. So I have a 2018 Reserva Montepulciano. I think I'm saying that right. And it is a very bold wine. It's very good. It has taste of dark fruit. It's very smooth. So Carlos, my friend, salute to you.
Yeah. Oil is just for me. He gave it to me. And Mr. Karnes is wanting to use it. I don't know if I will share. I have to decide if I'm going to share. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. This pizza is huge. I can't even get it all in the thing.
Did you order a big pizza, Mrs. Karnes?
I didn't mean to order a big pizza. It just kind of showed up.
Beef carpaccio with
Ooh, that looks really good too. I'm glad I talked you into that. Didn't really do anything, but
So I have the personal pan pizza.
yeah, that looks like the personal pan pizza I got. Now we're gonna have a whole personal pan pizza left over because I couldn't eat all mine. I got the gnocchi. We'll see how good it is.
And rice, zafferano, and white chocolate and nuts, and mango. This one lemon and pistachio.
Okay.
Mixed berry tart with cream pasticceri,
Okay.
apple tart, panna cotta with mixed berry, rosemary tart, mousse white chocolate and coffee, and tiramisu.
What was this one back here? Mousse?
In the middle, mousse white chocolate and coffee.
And it's on like a little cookie thing?
Everything
A cracker?
is mousse, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's
Hmm.
everything is homemade from our pistachio.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hard to choose. Which one's your favorite?
Would you like more cream or more coffee, more chocolate? Would you like?
The chocolate's pretty good.
Like more chocolate?
Yeah, probably.
Try
This one?
chocolate. This is white chocolate
Okay.
and lemon and pistachio.
I'll do that one. Yeah, I'll do that one. That sounds delicious. Yes, thank you. This is white chocolate, lemon, and pistachio with chocolate. Yum. Just when we thought we were finished, the little guy brought these over. Yummy. Wish I wasn't so full. I got those. I'll take those with me.
Let's see.
Those will travel.
Try one.
Eat those, they don't travel. And then we got this. Surprise!
So, I'm going to talk loudly because there's some performer singing in Italian along the way. We just finished up dinner at the Galleria Restaurant. It was very, very good. The staff there was wonderful. Thank you to them for making our last night memorable. They gave Mrs. Karnes a limoncello shot and a little ice cream and cookie on the house, and you know, that's the kind of service that anybody really, really likes.
Yeah.
So this will sadly end our last night in Italy. It's bittersweet. Standing in front of the Duomo, it'll be the last memory and a lasting memory that I have from our trip to Italy. And I'm I'm so happy that you all came along with us on this journey, and I'm so happy to do it with my partner in crime who continually pushes me to experience more and more and more wonderful things. I love you, babe. Thank you for doing that. Thank you for tuning in to Mrs. Karnes and me. We know that we are truly living the good life, and that we hope you are too. Salute.
Ciao, ciao. We've even got it on. Go ahead. Oh, yes.
We've had such a good trip through Italy. It's sad to think it's almost over. Italy was truly amazing, and I am so glad that we got to come and experience it.
E tu vuoi fare l'americano, americana, americana. Ma si capisce lì, secondo me non si sta niente a fa. Ok, Napolita, tu vuoi fare l'americano, tu vuoi fare l'americano. Whiskey and soda and rock and roll, whiskey and soda and rock and roll.
No, there's nobody. It's a little trolleys, trams, I don't know what they call them, but there they go. Very dark, very early. Leaving the Park Hyatt Milano. It's been fun. Sad to go. It's a pretty little hotel. All the things. Wish me luck going through security today. I don't think I have any contraband. I don't ever mean to have contraband, it just happens.
Hello friends, good morning. We are at the Malpensa Airport, MXP, which is the airport, one of two airports in the Milan area. It's the bigger of the two. And we're getting ready to catch our flight from Milan back to Newark, and then Newark on to O'Hare. We're going to spend the night in O'Hare and make our way back to St. Louis the following day. Tried to check into our flights last night. I was able to get Mrs. Karnes' boarding pass, but I was not able to get a boarding pass, which was a little puzzling. I reached out to United via chat. They couldn't really tell me anything about why I couldn't. When I got here, I figured out why. I have the dreaded SSSS boarding pass, which means I am subject to extra security throughout my trip today. I didn't see any of that while we went through security. Security was very hectic, but kind of moved along. It's about a 45-minute cab ride. We took an Uber from the hotel back to the airport. So as you're planning that and you're planning your trips and your logistics, you kind of need to know that. But the airport here is new and clean and big and spacious. I like the airport. We hung out in the Sala Lounge, which is a priority pass lounge. We're in the B terminal. We really wanted to go to the Lufthansa lounge, but it's in the A terminal, so you have to go through passport control to get to your gate area. And so we couldn't go do the A gate lounges. We did the B lounge, and it was nice. They had a nice selection of cold food, coffee, orange juice, the likes. It was kind of standard. It was a normal priority pass kind of lounge. So don't know what's going to entail here. I don't think we can film any of this, the gyrations or theatrics that we're going to go through. I'm going to go through here for extra security, but I'll give you a detailed report about it, assuming I get on the plane and assuming I make it to the other side.
Where are you going? I guess they got him. All right, they got him. I thought he made it through. Guess he didn't.
It's been a while since I boarded a plane by myself, so I'll be the one giving the rundown. This morning, we are flying on a United Boeing 777-200 aircraft. We've booked Polaris Business Class seats. The cabin was set up in a 1-2-1 configuration, and Mr. Karnes booked us window seats. The United Polaris seats are lay-flat seats with Saks Fifth Avenue bedding, very comfy. There's a coat hanger, storage, power ports, USB connections, all the things. There is plenty of overhead storage, and they had a menu of all the food options waiting for me, a bottle of water, and an amenity kit.
So I got pulled aside right before I got on the plane, and they did a explosive swab on my hands and belt and shoes. Looked inside the bag, had to empty my pockets. Told me I carried a lot of things around in my pockets, and that it probably took
A minute and a half?
probably 3 or 4 minutes is probably what it took. But they were very nice and very apologetic. Thank you for letting me delay my flight. I wish me a happy journey.
Well, that's nice.
Captain Parno's flight time today is going to be 8 hours and 14 minutes. Although we are here for your comfort, our number one priority is always your safety. Therefore, we do ask for your undivided attention, even if you are a frequent flyer. Play a video outlining the safety features of this Boeing 777-200 series aircraft.
This trip to Italy was a bucket list adventure for us. I can say without a doubt, it was a trip we will never forget. We are indeed blessed to be able to experience this amazing country. The flight home was such a relaxing one, with lunch being served, including an ice cream sundae for dessert, a much-needed nap, and even a snack before landing. Thanks, United Airlines, for such a nice time.
C-136. We hope you've enjoyed your flight with us today and look forward to seeing you again on your next journey.
Señores de la cabina de pilotaje, comandante informa que habíamos iniciado la noche de Vicenza verso Newark Liberty.
My Polaris Club. I wanted to go in there. This is where all the secretness happened.
Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a like. We are living the good life. Salute!